Okay, y'all, we're in the truck. I'm filming the intro to this a couple days after recording the video. So after further research we figured out that when the truck hits about here, about 48 to 51 is about when we hit 60, because we're on 37-inch tires. It's not 55. We did some researching, and it's actually about 49 to 51 is where we reach 60. Yeah. So I hope y'all enjoy the video and have a good one. Peace. The 0 to 60 time is going to be a little weird because we have big tires, so it's actually getting 60 about at 53 to 55-ish. So yeah. POV, we just burned 3 gallons of diesel going less than a mile.